I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to view, edit, and delete saved addresses in Google Chrome Autofill on an iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap the ellipses to open a menu. Step 2. Swipe from right to left across the row of options at the top of this menu and then tap Settings. Step 3. Tap Addresses and More. The associated screen opens where you'll see all of the addresses associated with your Google account. Step 4. Tap any of the addresses in this list to view the details associated with this address. Step 5. Tap Edit at the top of this screen to make all of the fields on this screen editable. If you ever decide that you want to delete any of your saved Google Chrome addresses so that they no longer autofill, just navigate back to the Addresses and More screen where you can see a list of your saved addresses and then tap Edit. Tap to select the address you want to delete and then tap Delete. Those addresses will be deleted and no longer available to autofill in Google Chrome. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.